In this video, we'll see how to connect Landbot with Zapier. Zapier is an online automation tool that lets you connect your favorite apps. This could be Gmail, Slack, MailChimp, Landbot obviously, and many more. You can connect 2 or more apps to automate repetitive tasks without coding or relying on developers to build integration. So let's get to the point. How do you connect Landbot with Zapier? Well, first you need to add the Zapier blog. Keep in mind that the blog integration will be triggered once the flow reaches the blog, so place it wisely. Now, inside this blog, you'll find 2 important things. One is your Landbot token, which is unique to your brand. That's why I blurred mine out. Oh, now my face is blurred out too. Great. And the other one is the blog identifier, which we'll use later in Zapier. So, go to zapier.com and create an account if you haven't. Now, just click on Make a Zap. A zap consists of a... Is the blur thing still going on? Is it actually following me? Jeez. Can someone make it stop?
I'm working on it.
Great. So, a zap consists of a trigger, which is the event that starts your zap, and an action, which is performed after the trigger is set. So when this happens, trigger, do something, action. Landbot is the trigger, and the integration is the action. In this case, we want to trigger Landbot, so type in Landbot. In the trigger event, we will choose the only option available. This is Zapier block activated, which basically means that it will be triggered when the conversation flow reaches the Zapier block in your bot. Click on Continue. Now, Zapier will ask you to log in into your Landbot account. When you're done, click on Continue. Now, before choosing the block, select the bot where you have the Zapier block. In the blog option, select the blog identifier we saw earlier. Click on Continue. Now you'll need to test the trigger, but before doing so, try your bot a couple of times and remember the variables that you type in. This way, Zapier has more data to work with and it's easier to complete the integration. Once you've tested your bot, go back to Zapier and click on Test Trigger. Now we'll need to find the variables we just typed in trying the bot. Once you find them, click on Continue. Great, the trigger part is done and the action now is all up to you. And with Zapier connected to Landbot, your integrations are almost limitless. You can create Trello cards from new Landbot entries, add new Landbot entries to Pipedrive as deals, add contacts to an autopilot list for new entries on Landbot. Zapier can connect Landbot with more than 2,000 other APIs, so go out there and find the automation that just works for you. And that's it. That's how you connect Landbot with Zapier.